What's up guys, this is Aman Singh from Amactive. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy steps to do a perfect pull-up. So let's get right into the video.
Pull-ups are a great way to build up strength and muscle in your upper body if the right techniques are applied. The muscles involved in the movement are latissimus dorsi, which are commonly called as the lats muscle, trapezius muscle, deltoids, which are the shoulders, and also pec muscles because they assist your lats for pulling you up. Pull-ups can be a very challenging exercise if you're just starting out, but you don't need to worry about that because I have come up with 5 easy steps to make you do the perfect pull-ups. So let's get to the first step, which is the dead hang. All you need to do here is hang to a bar as long as you can. This will increase your straight arm strength, which is a very important aspect. Once you feel you can hold your body for quite some time, move to the next step, that is scapular activation. You can see how I'm bringing my shoulders down and behind my body. The key here is to pulling your body a little up and engaging your core along with your chest. Step 3 are the negative pull-ups. Again here we're just doing the negative part of a pull-up. So you can use a chair to go up, grip the bar tight and come down as slow as you can, keeping your scapula and core engaged. Don't rush these reps because this is gonna be the foundation of your pull-ups, and a construction can only be as strong as the foundation. So make sure you feel and enjoy the burn in your muscles from every single repetition because this is gonna give you the results. 4 are the classic pull-ups. Combining all the steps, you can now perform the pull-ups. Here I want you to have some patience because you may not be able to do it immediately in the perfect form, but you will after a little effort. Just go slow and focus on your form. Step 5 is practice. Step 5 is not a new step but is as important as the previous ones. Perfection is not that you would get in a week, a month, or even years. Even I am working towards it. So practice is the key. If you don't have a pull-up bar, buy one if you can. But if not, that's not an excuse. Go and use the bars of a swing in your garden. Just keep practicing.
Thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe and share it to all your friends. You can also press the bell icon to get further notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram, given in the link down below. Thank you so much.